Hasbro has sent me some more toys. Yes, Hasbro has sent me some more toys. Let's see what they are. I believe they are Star Wars. I believe they are some Comic-Con toys. They couldn't get to me because things were selling out all over the place. Woo! There we go. Let's see, yeah. So, there we go. You see that? All right. It is Star Wars, my friends. It is Star Wars. San Diego Comic-Con exclusives. Star Wars The Black Series. Boba Fett. Star Wars The Black Series Sith Trooper figure. And Star Wars The Vintage Collection 3.75-inch original trilogy Luke Skywalker Jedi Destiny figure set. My God. That's what's in here. That's what's in here. Ooh. That's a badass Boba Fett. That is nice. Look at that. Look at that. That is nice. That is nice. Can't tell me that ain't nice. Oh, that is real nice. Oh, yeah. That is real nice. See that? Picture on the back. I know y'all like this. I know y'all like this. This is nice. I like this. This is real nice. Let's see. Yeah. So there is the Star Wars special action figure set, the Luke Skywalker one. See that? Look at that. Oh yeah. That's a nice set, right? That's a nice set. It's a real nice set. I like this. Yeah. Hasbro has been good to me. Yeah. So, the Black Series. Let's open this up. So wait, I didn't even show you the box. Sorry about that. Well, here's the outside of the box. Okay. See that? Yeah, there we go. Here's the back. Not much difference there. But there we go. See that? Yeah. Right? Right. So here we go. The Sith Trooper. I'm wondering who the Sith Trooper is. Like, is it a Sith that went, Trooper? Like, figured he'd have a higher rank if he was a Sith, but I don't know. So is that? Look at this. Look at that. That's cool. That's cool. So this pulls out. See that? Yeah. Pull out there on the side. And you get the weapons. And also on this side. Oh yeah. That's hot. Woo! Yeah. Thank you very much, Hasbro, for sending this to me. Why don't y'all run out to the store and get one of these, or one of these. Because Hasbro's doing stuff good. I like this. Nice. That is nice, man. That's cool. Look at that. All right, y'all. Post comments down below. Let me know what you all thought. If you enjoyed this unboxing, go over to your nearest store and get these toys. And make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share. 10 million subscribers. Woo!
You may now subscribe.